Friends, you are enjoying the story with us. This is really a nice story and nice example of taking revenge. This is the story of the king of Alwar, Maharaja Jai Singh. Once Maharaja Jai Singh went to England with family and security personals. One day, when he was in the hotel, he decided to walk in the city alone, without anybody, in a general dress. He started walking alone. Nobody knew him that he was king of anywhere. While walking, he saw the showroom of the Rolls-Royce car. He went to showroom and asked a staff about the feature and the rate of the car. The staff stared him. He said, "Why are you asking the rate of this car? You are asking the features of this car." As I already told you, the king was not in his dress. His dress was like a common person. The salesman insulted him. He asked, Don't dream to purchase this car. Go away from here and don't waste my time." The king returned to hotel. He called his manager. He said, "Go to the showroom of Rolls-Royce car. Inform them that I am coming to purchase car." The manager went there. He called the officer. He said, "My king wants to purchase the car." After some time, the king reached there. The king said to officer, "How many cars do you have at this time?" The officer said, "Sir, I have 7 cars at this time." The king said, "I want to purchase all 7 cars at this time. But there is a condition of it. You will have to deliver it at once." The king also put a condition that the employee who insulted him will go with the cars to supervise the car maintenance, etc. The officers of the company agreed and they delivered the car Alwar at once. King called his Prime Minister. He said, put all the cars in Municipal Corporation Alwar to carry the garbage. The Prime Minister was surprised to hear it, but he had no option. All the 7 cars were put on the Alwar Municipal Corporation. All the cars were carrying the garbage of the city here and there. After 1 to 2 months, this news circulated to Delhi as well as around major cities of the India. Now the person who were using the Rolls Royce car as a prestige issue, they stopped using it. Now they were thinking this is a car from which garbage is being carried here and there. The sales of the car stopped fully. This was a matter of great tension. So officials of the company contacted King and asked the region to put the car on Alwar Municipal Corporation. The king explained the incident which happened with him. The board of directors decided to send an apology letter to king. So in this way, the apology letter had been sent to king, and not only this, with it company offered Maharaja to send 7 Royce cars without any cost. The board of directors requested not to use this car as a garbage purpose. Maharaja accepted his request and ordered not to use this car for the purpose. In this way, Maharaja of Alwar had taken revenge for the insult. Good morning friends, I will meet you. दोस्तों, मैं आजकल केवल इंग्लिश इम्प्रूवमेंट की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ, प्रैक्टिकल कर रहा हूँ। कमेंट्स में मिस्टेक लिखते रहिए। धन्यवाद।